The topic of today's video is how to get working Uber Eats coupon codes. Now, this one is perhaps not a coupon code specifically, but actually just navigating the Uber Eats website and checking the stores, you'll see that they have discounts on select items. So it's definitely a good way to go. Next up, you can navigate to pretty much any coupon site like Groupon, and there are so many others, and they all have generally the same layout where you'll be able to find tons of working and potentially not working coupon codes. Of course, you can mark on the website if a certain coupon works or not. Again, going back to the app, just regularly checking in, you might find that there are discounts available for certain seasons. Another thing to keep in mind is most discounts are region specific, so what works for me might not work for you. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.